Welcome to my channel Tough to Easy.
Dust the shelves. I am dusting the shelves. Sweep the floor. I am sweeping the floor. Mop the floor. I am mopping the floor. Wash the dishes. I am washing the dishes. Dry the dishes. I am drying the dishes. Make the bed. I am making the bed. Change the bed sheet. I am changing the bed sheet. Change the pillowcase. I am changing the pillowcase. Do the laundry. I am doing the laundry. Hang out the laundry. I am hanging out the laundry. Fold the clothes. I am folding the clothes. Iron the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. Cook the food. I am cooking dinner. Set the table. I am setting the table. Clear the table. I am clearing the table. Wash the car. I am washing the car. Mow the lawn. I am mowing the lawn. Clean the bathroom. I am cleaning the bathroom. Sort the recycling. I am sorting the recycling. Take out the trash. I am taking out the trash. Feed the dog. I am feeding the dog. Water the plants. I am watering the plants. Vacuum the floor. I am vacuuming the floor. Clean the windows. I am cleaning the windows. Rake the leaves. I am raking the leaves. Grocery shopping. I am going grocery shopping. Replace the bulb. I am replacing the light bulb. Organize the closet. I am organizing the closet. Tidy up the room. I am tidying up the room. Scrub the toilet. I am scrubbing the toilet. Polish the shoes. I am polishing my shoes. Bake a cake. I am baking a cake. Knead the dough. I am kneading the dough. Fix the door. I am fixing the door. Repair the pipe. I am repairing the pipe. Move the furniture. I am moving the furniture. Clean the kitchen. I am cleaning the kitchen. Grill the fish. I am grilling the fish. Chop the vegetables. I am chopping the vegetables. Paint the fence. I am painting the fence. Plant the flowers. I am planting the flowers. Prune the bushes. I am pruning the bushes. Hang the picture. I am hanging the picture. Wipe the countertop. I am wiping the countertop. Wash the vegetables. I am washing the vegetables. Put the dishes. I am putting the dishes in cupboard. Rearrange the books. I am rearranging the books. Stock the refrigerator. I am stocking the refrigerator. Clean the gas stove. I am cleaning the gas stove. Cut the vegetables. I am cutting the vegetables. Sanitize the doorknob. I am sanitizing the doorknob. Organize the pantry. I am organizing the pantry. Clean the oven. I am cleaning the oven. Stitch the fabric. I am stitching the torn fabric. Sharpen the knives. I am sharpening the knives. Scrub the tiles. I am scrubbing the tiles. Brush the cat. I am brushing the cat. Grooming the pets. I am grooming the pets. Sorting the mail. I am sorting the mail. Fix the leaky faucet. I am fixing the leaky faucet. Load the dishwasher. I am loading the dishwasher. Emptying the dishwasher. I am emptying the dishwasher.